Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. It's a little rainy Saturday afternoon and just sitting in the car because I'm gonna doing some things, you know. And I thought I would swing by an Asian market because I get a lot of questions about where I get my little grills from and little steamer racks. And I just figured I'd do a quick little video and show you. So let's head inside the store. Alright, so we're here with the H Mart. I believe it's a Korean market. Alright, so they didn't have what I was looking for, so plan B. Alright, as the rain hits the windshield, we're at the Hong Kong market. I've actually been here before, so I'm pretty sure they have what I'm looking for. Hopefully you can, yeah, you should be able to see that. Alright, here we have our housewares section. You have your foil, your cooking items, and aha, here we go. So, tucked away down here is your little grow round. And it's $1.29. We have the bigger one, $3.29. That's actually pretty nice. You have your stand with the little legs on them. No price, not even a price tag on this one. I don't even know how they bring you up. So, that's that. More of the same, more of these little grills. Some bigger ones in the back. And I have these steamers here. So, there you go. Well, there you go. Just a real quick video. Just showing you where I get my little grills from. Of course, they're steamer racks. But, you know, just depends on how you use them. Yeah, I don't know if you have any in your area. Just check, check Google Maps. Just type in Asian market, do a search, and maybe get lucky, get a hit or two, and just check the store. I just go to their kitchen section and yeah, just see what they have. They might have something you can improvise. As always, thanks for watching, and hope this answers your question, and catch you in the next one.